Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Knowledge IQ. So today we are going to know about Indian geography of physiographic regions of India. Okay, so let's go forward. But before starting the video, please go subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll get all notifications of my upcoming new videos. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go forward. Yeah, physiographic regions of India. So what is physiographic regions of India? It is the similarities of physical conditions and structure of any region. Okay. So in this physiographic regions of India, there is a part called Huxley. What is Huxley? It is a modified definition actually. It is called this Huxley similarities are geographical condition, climatic region and floral condition. Huxley is divided into three types called geographical condition, climatic region and floral condition. So here there is a proof of Wadia. Okay, what is Wadia? It is divided into three parts and this geotectonic division. Okay, so there are three parts, right? So what is the first part? Northern mountain region. Yeah, it is located here near Jammu and Kashmir, or it is divided now. It is divided as Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay, yeah, this region, this full region is called Northern mountain region. And second, B, transitional plains. From here from Delhi and this full Gujarat and this full region including Nepal also, this full region is called transitional plains. Okay, transitional plains. Then C, peninsula region. In peninsula region is located here. Okay, even Hyderabad, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh all is located in peninsula region. Don't forget guys. So here it is also called Lakshadweep Island. It is located outside the India. So okay, let's not get into that part about Lakshadweep Islands. Let's go forward for North Mountain region. Northern mountain regions are located. Northern mountain regions are also called Himalayan regions, and there we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands, or the extension of Himalaya. Plains. Wait one second. Northern mountain regions are located here, right? So here we have Himalayan region and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, B, plains. By sediment disposition of river, I mean the rock particles, vegetation parts. In river we will see so many rocks, right? Rock particles. They are the vegetation parts of a plains. Where the plains are located here, the mid part of the India is located the plains. Then upper part is located the what? Northern mountain region, and the down part is peninsula region. We'll go into that now. Peninsula region. Peninsula region contains South India plus island Lakshadweep or island of Arabian. So here in peninsula region, South India, this is South India, no, we are in the southern part of India. So South India plus island of Lakshadweep or island of Arabian Sea contains peninsula region. If you didn't understand, go forward, go backward and see again the video. Okay, so let's go forward. Before going forward, please subscribe to my channel. It's taking a lot of effort to me to make such like videos, so please motivate me guys. So let's go forward. This Indian geography, physiographic regions of India is again divided into 5 parts. Northern mountain part, plateau region, island of India, middle plains and coastal plains. What 5 parts? Northern mountainous part, plateau region, island of India, middle plains and coastal plains. So mountain. Mountain, what is mountain? Usually it is a high elevation area which upper part pointed, which upper part, wait, give me a second, yeah, which upper part is pointed, okay, mountain, where upper part is pointed here, over here, okay, here. So there we have mountains, high elevated area which upper part pointed, okay. Then hill. What is hill? Upper part, it is also present in upper part, pointed. Here where I am pointing, over here the mountains and hills are present. Then range of them are group of hill of same age, okay, they all are group of hills and of same age. Then mountain chain. What is mountain chain? A group of parallel mountains called mountain chain, okay. Note this point down. What is mountain chain? It is a group of parallel mountain, okay. So yeah, then what is Cordillera? Give me a second, guys. Yeah, what is Cordillera? It is irregular arrangement of mountains. Example, Western Cordillera of Northern America. So what is ridge? Ridge is about group of hill in the ocean. Is a group of hills in the ocean. So in ocean part, the group of hills is called ridge. What is gaunt? Gaunt is single hill in ocean. Group of hill is called ridge and single hill in ocean is called gaunt, okay. Don't confuse between these two, okay. Don't confuse between ridge and gaunt, okay. So what is orogenesis? Orogenesis is folding mountains, volcanic mountains, block mountain and residual mountains. Orogenesis contains these all 4 mountains, okay, and folding mountains are formed by tectonic event and number of folds are found. That's why we call this mountain as folding mountain. So in these mountains there are 2 parts, lithosphere and asthenosphere, okay. Lithosphere and asthenosphere. Lithosphere is of 0 to 100 centimeters. Asthenosphere is of 100 to 400 kilometers. There is far difference between these two, so you cannot confuse between these two, right? So what is asthenosphere? It is a magma found and magma chamber. In this, radioactive substance is formed and that radioactive substance release energy, and here in which releases energy forms temperature very high, about 1900 degrees centigrade. Wow, so much big temperature, right? So substance, sorry guys, here substance which can melt and it's also called magma, okay. Usually we know, guys, at 1900 degrees any substance can melt except diamond. So here lithosphere is of 100 kilometers far away from atmosphere of 400 kilometers. Wow, this is the surface of earth, okay, this is the surface of earth. So let's go forward. Before going forward, please do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, next, movement of plate. What is movement of plate? Asthenosphere contains asthenosphere, the conventional current, okay. It is also called the plane, also move with magma. What is magma? I have said, you know, right? Go backward and see what I have said. Magma, okay. Magma will get moved this convectional current called magma move into plate also move with magma. Okay, with magma. This magma is located in lithosphere vibrate. Okay, so let's go forward, guys. Yeah, today let's know till about second volcanic mountain. No, yeah, wait. Let's know there are totally of four residual mountains. Okay, so let's today for this video I'll teach you about only second volcanic mountain. Okay, let's go forward. So movement of plane. Before starting again, please go subscribe, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon, so you'll get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So let's go forward. Movement of plate. What is movement of plate? Okay guys, I have said you about this, right? Let's go forward. Continent plate and ocean plate, these two parts. Okay, continent plate and ocean plate. What is continent plate? It's made up of granite rocks density. Okay, granite rocks. This continent plate is made up of granite rocks, and this oceanic plate is made up of basalt rock. Okay, basalt rock. This is of 30 kilometers far away, and this is of 8 to 10 kilometers far away. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, continental plate. What is continental plate? This is the first part. Okay, the continental plate. Continental plate is found in the folding mountain. Okay, it is found in the Himalayan region. It is in the what? It is in the northern part of India. Okay, upper part of India, near Jammu and Kashmir, or Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay, Ladakh region. So there new folding mountain regions are formed. Okay, in Himalayan region there is Eurasian plate and Indo-Australian. See here, from right side of plane and left side of plane both collide each other and form folding mountain. Okay, due to which right side plane and left side plane both collide each other and mountains are formed. That is called new fold mountains. Okay, so today's last topic, second volcanic mountain. What is second volcanic mountain? Convergent of continental and oceanic plate. Okay, second, what is this? Volcanic mountain. In volcanic mountain, the convergent of continental and oceanic plane is found. This is located near South America plate. What South America plate is? Just located beside of India, right? It's located beside of India. So yeah, here this part, okay, shaded part is of Andes mountains. This shaded part contains Andes mountains located in South American plate. This side part is Nazca plate. Okay, we are not going to this part now. Let's go forward for this. Volcanic folding mountains. Here also, due to continental and oceanic collisions, mountains are formed. That is called new fold mountains, volcanic mountains. Here we can see volcanoes occurring frequently in South America more than any other countries. Okay, yeah, then let's go Andes mountains and Rocky mountains located in South America. So what is Andes mountain? It is the volcanic folding mountains. Okay, volcanic folding mountains. You can see this, right? So what is Rocky mountains? Volcanic folding mountains located in North America, not South America. It is located in North America. Okay. This Rocky mountain is also called Caucasus Plain, located in North America plate. So I hope you guys all are understanding my classes. If not, please comment down so I can improve my way of explanation. Okay, for this session is I'm ending till here, guys. So please, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so you'll get all notifications of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys. Jai Hind. See you in my next videos.